Abdali Grammar School, Primary Mathematics, Lesson 6, Decimal into Fraction, Chapter number 8, Lecture number 9, 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to discuss about decimal into fraction. First of all student, we learn about the steps to solve questions decimal into fraction. Our first step is remove the decimal point from the given decimal and take as numerator. Our step 2 is write 1 in denominator and as many zeros as there are number of digits in the decimal part. Write 1 in the denominator and as many zeros as there are number of digits in the decimal part. Our third step is simplify the obtained fraction. Our third step is simplify the obtained fraction. Now student, what we do now? Let's start to solve our questions of decimal into fraction. Our question is express each of the following as a fraction or a mixed number. Leave each answer in its simplest form. Student, here 0.13 is a decimal. We convert it into a fraction. First of all, we follow our first step. What we do now? We remove the point. The point right after 0, we remove this point and we write 1 in denominator place. And after a decimal point, 1 3 right, so we write it in numerator place. What we do now? There are two numbers after the decimal point, then we use 100. If there are 3, then we use 1000. Student, after decimal point, it's 2 digits, 1 and 3. So we write 100 in denominator place. 0.13 fraction form is 13 by 100. Now let's start to solve our another question. Express each of the following as a fraction or a mixed number. Leave each answer in its simplest form. Here student, our question is 7.35. Students, before point it's a whole number. Before point 7 is right. Here 7 is a whole number. So we write 7 separately. And after a decimal points, it's 3 and 5, that is 35. We write 35 in the numerator place. And we remove this point and we write 1 in denominator place. We write 1 in denominator place. Here after decimal point, 2 digits, that is 3 and 5. So we write 2 zeros at denominator place. We write 2 zeros at denominator place. Here student, our fraction is 7 whole 35 by 100. Now what we do now? We leave answer in its simplest form. Now let's find the simplest form of 35 by 100. We divide 35 by 5 and 100 by 5. 5 7 is 35 and 5 20 is 100. Now the simplest form of 7 whole 35 by 100 is 7 whole 7 by 20. Thanks for watching.